Hi everyone, so I'm finally going to Coorg this time, and had to make this plan because there was a long weekend coming in, starting from 26th of January, which is the Republic Day here in India. So yeah, we had a holiday for that, and apparently it was on a Thursday. So yeah, Friday could be a sick leave, and Saturday, Sunday could be utilized for the trip as well. So yeah, it was an impromptu plan from my side, because if I wouldn't have done anything about this, I would have just felt so weird being at like my rented place here in Bangalore. So yeah, it was coming anyway. Let's see how things go. Hi guys, I'm finally in Coorg right now, and the bus arrived early, so I don't have any other option than to just start exploring as is. Like nothing else is open, so I don't have a choice to be doing anything at all. So just plan to go walking. Let's see. Hi guys, I'm currently at the Raja Seat Park, and it looks lavish, even though I think I'm one of the only persons over here right now. Just had a chat with the caretaker a while back, and he was kind enough to tell me where to go and how to deal with the next few hours. So I'm probably gonna chill around here in the park, and it's a lovely park. You can see, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really busy in the morning. I even heard a few locals say that it's not worth coming here during the peak time, because half of the things you won't be able to experience because of that. There are lavish trees over here, and some people are walking by, having their morning walk done in this park. Looks pretty cool, and I'm a bit exhausted. I do wanna freshen up in a hotel, but unfortunately I can't be going to any place before 12 p.m, which is around around 6 hours from now. So I'll probably try to capture the sunrise, and let's see. Probably this park is spread around 7 acres. That's a lot. Someone is playing good music. Even I'm gonna do that. Just play my light music and keep walking and exploring. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'm pretty sure this place is gonna look lovely once the light hits up and I'm able to capture almost all of it. So yeah,